Hi, I'm Bud, Parts Manager here at Crosby Volkswagen with your tip of the day. We often have customers coming to the dealership wondering how to replace the battery on their Volkswagen key fob. It can be quite simple. First, confirm the logo on your key is blue and silver. Extend the key blade on your fob. Locate the indented area within the key blade groove. Place a flat-headed screwdriver into the groove and gently turn it to separate the casing from the key fob. Separate the two components and set the key blade aside. Place your fingers in the groove and pry the front and back pieces of the fob apart. Set the part with the circuit board to the side and use a small flat screwdriver to gently pry the battery loose. Replace your expired battery with a new one, placing the positive side down into the recess. Reconnect the circuit board section with the battery section and firmly click them back together. Slide the fob back into the key blade section and firmly click it into place. And that's how you replace the battery on your classic Volkswagen key fob. If you have any questions or if you at any point would like assistance, don't hesitate to come in and visit us at Crosby Volkswagen, and we will gladly replace your battery for you.